Alright guys, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. So like as I promised you guys that we'll be doing a powerful scrub, and it's a unique scrub that can really put you in the right color that you need, because a lot of people be doing different type of scrub, but which I concur to them, but scrub the past scrub. So this scrub, we use a couple of spa salt, and then different type, turmeric, tomatoes, lavender, aloe vera, different type of, you can see them on the floor, right? So now I just want to make you understand, it's just simple. After all of the ingredients I've put, you just have to put your alpha arbutin body wash, so like this, you can see. Sorry I didn't put on my glove. See, very sweet. So you just have to put your your body wash, see. So you just have to put the body wash. And by the way, some people may want their own to be watery, but not too watery. At least with this is okay, And I'll tell you, the ingredients we actually use, after all this, these are combination of the same scrub in different different flavor, right? But we went ahead and put vitamin E, put vitamin C, and put other things, and some of the nice oils as well also, and some of the powders also, so that your body can easily exfoliate in the right sense you want it, because this is exfoliating we try to do, right? And some of people have some dead cells, like your skin is dead. So with this is going to help your skin to rejuvenate. Yes, it's authentic scrub. Not every scrub I really appreciate, irrespective that, yes, regards to what my colleagues do are there. But with this scrub, I tell you, yes, it will put your color back in shape. Yes, it's going to clear every wrinkle from your body, and it's going to take every hyperpigmentation, and it's going to take what they talk like dark spot away from your body, and white patches also. So like we did all those formulas as well to make sure all of them go out. So if you know that you can't do it the way I just show you now, you can always put you can always place your order. You understand? Just place your order. We ship everywhere. See, look at it. This is where we just put all the scrub together, right? Look at them. So this is where we put all the scrub together. And don't forget, maybe you didn't see when I put my powders, all right? So sorry about that, because it really escaped me that I should, because somebody really requested for this video. So before I remember to show you guys the aspect of all that is gone already, but in the likes of that, you can always shout me up on my Instagram or shout me up on my WhatsApp. I'm going to tell you if you really want to know more about it. So then this is where we put our body wash, alpha arbutin body wash. So this is what we using, right? You can use any body wash of your own choice. So I just want you to understand that in anything you're doing, be 100% about it. So okay, don't show people trash. Don't go behind the scenes and put some of that things. Are you getting it? So if you want a perfect scrub like this, make sure you always reach out to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare Nigeria. This scrub's gonna make you young again. Alright, it's gonna make you young again. I always tell everybody, do what you know that is right. Okay, so until I come your way next time, stay tuned. Make sure you don't forget, stay out of trouble, and make sure you always subscribe and click on the notification button to be notified, so that you should be notified whenever we upload new videos. And don't forget, we ship everywhere, wherever you go, wherever you are, we ship everywhere. All right, so this is the best store you can do your shopping right now. So bye bye.